6:15 to 21, NASDAQ 100, double bottom, breakout one. We called it over here. That is when we were on sell with the sell signal. You heard me. I have the proof. Join the alerts. After 35 years, we know when to call a bottom, and we did. Then we said the rally had pulled back and it tested the moving averages, and then we had our second leg higher. Okay, so we had leg one, and now we're in count two. Okay, the markets have to face the FOMC meeting tomorrow morning. They'll be coming out in the afternoon with their announcement, and there'll be a call, and everybody's worried about inflation, inflation, inflation. Listen, we told everybody back in February and March, inflation is not an issue. Yeah, we don't like paying more for groceries and gasoline or a house or something like that. But when you raise rates, the Fed needs to pull back. This economy is red hot, super hot, and GDP will be outstanding. And the last quarterly earnings, well, they didn't treat stocks well after they beat their reports and guided up. But those same stocks this next month, when earnings season starts again, it won't be like it was in April, pal. No, they will rock higher. Now, having said that, we were extremely overbought right here, 100%. You can't go higher than that. Today, with our little bit of a pullback, we're not as overbought now, okay? And we're not. And just like when you're overbought, you want to be sellers. When you're extremely oversold, you want to be buyers and you want to be doing everything. Then all of the alerts that we give out intraday, we have a live trading room. You can join that for free. And we give out the option trading, and we trade a lot of meme stocks. We never used to do that, but new people that have come to the market, it's a new generation of traders. I remember, I'm 62 years old. I've been doing it for 35 years. I remember back in the 90s and whatnot, all of us wanted to be in the market. Well, now it's a new generation and they want to be in the market. Maybe they don't know what they're doing yet, and they've gotten lucky on some stuff, and they found a strategy with Reddit and Wall Street bets. I will tell you, though, this. Summer rally has already rallied. So everyone is expecting that. But it's already rallied. So don't get caught up in volatility tomorrow, and just be really super careful right now. I know how you sit there and look at your screen or whatever little chintzy trading app you're using. We have a much better setup and a much better program for you, and we do. But once again, NASDAQ 100 has been the leader for the tech stocks, the FANG stocks. And today, we had a pullback, as we should. Kind of like we did over here before we made new highs. We got a lot of support when we come down. It's not Armageddon, because it's not. And we don't know exactly that Jerome Powell tomorrow, when he gives his hourly speech, he's going to try to be careful not to say anything that's going to rock this market. But I can tell you what, all the professionals and all of the economists say, hey, this guy is a nut. There is no stimulus needed, because there isn't. And his little chintzy welfare crap doesn't cut it. And market participants and big fund managers and everyone alike is sick of it. And they're tired of it. Because if you don't stop the tapering and you don't pull back, then yes, inflation would be a real problem. But right now, the 10-year yield is pricing in no inflation. Maybe it's transitory, maybe it's not. Who knows? I know inflation is here because I have to pay more for everything I either eat, drink, gasoline, you name it. It's gone up in price. It's no fun to have to pay all of that. But you can say this, the Federal Reserve, they're the ones that cause these issues. And they're the ones that cause these nothing but problems. So tomorrow the market's going to be very volatile, and it is. And people were taking profits today ahead of that FOMC meeting tomorrow. Once again, we're here. We want to help you if you want to help yourself. Sign up, take action, be responsible, take the free 5-day trial. You can believe what you see.